Can anybody hear me here? Just doing a sound check.
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, cool. Thanks, Susan. Time is 2 o'clock on Friday, September 25th, for the Windsor Heights weekly construction update meeting. We're going to give people a bit here to get logged in. So we'll start our weekly updates here in a couple minutes, and then we'll do questions after that. All right, looks like a small crowd today. So I'm up here at the City Hall conference room with Justin. I'm going to hand my computer over to him, and he'll go through our project updates for the week.
Yeah. All right, we'll start with 69th Street, stage 1. For the week of September 28th, the contractor will be watering the recently seeded areas for the next 2 weeks as needed. Stage 2 for the week of September 28th, the contractor will finish sanitary sewer services and water services. Once those are completed, they'll begin the storm sewer installation. This total work is anticipated to take about 2 weeks, with anticipated beginning of the road work construction probably the week of October 12th. College Drive, stage 1, 75th to Plaza. The contract will be installing mailboxes and begin preparing for seed and then seed once that preparation is done. Intake tops at 76th Street and 75th are in. Those will be poured on Monday. Stage 2, 73rd to 75th for the week of September 28th. Contract will begin grading the roadway, installing rock. It's anticipated that the street paving will occur the week of October 5th. Sidewalk and driveway installations will follow street paving and then backfilling. Stage 3, Plaza to 78th Street for the week of September 28th. The contractor will finish up any subdrain installation if they don't get it done today, and then they'll be beginning road grading once they're done with stage 1. So probably looking at the end of the week for stage 3 to start the road grading. And then the rock will be installed, I'm assuming, the beginning of October 5th, the week of October 5th, and then the street paving possibly at the end of that week or the week after. Allison Avenue, stage 1, that was seeded earlier in the week, so they'll be come by watering as needed for the next 2 weeks on that. Stage 2, middle of Allison to 64th Street for week of September 28th. The contractor will begin storm sewer installation starting at the bottom of the hill and working towards 64th Street. We're looking at beginning road work the week of October 12th. In the next couple weeks too, the 64th Street intersection will be reduced in lanes and closed once storm sewer installation begin there, and then paving operations. We'll put up some notices when that'll occur. Let's see. University Avenue during the week of September 28th. The roadway starting Monday morning between 68th Street and 73rd Street will be reduced to one lane for approximately 2 weeks. During this time, westbound traffic will be closed and detoured through 235 as it was previously a couple months ago. Posted detour. Street paving is scheduled for the end of the week. We're looking at Friday. Then the remaining street pavement will occur the following week at the intersection of 73rd and some miscellaneous stuff. Sidewalk construction will continue next week on the north side of the roadway between 70th and 73rd, along with any electrical work. So, work on traffic signals will also occur at this time. There's some odds and ends they have to complete. We're looking at opening 70th Street intersection will be probably the beginning of October, and that the first 2 weeks of when that'll be open. The 2020 street patching, which is the bridge approaches on 73rd Street. They'll be finishing the concrete work, which includes pouring the walls on the west side of the bridge. Once those are cured out and ready to be opened, everything will be opened up there. Once that is complete, then they'll be heading farther south, just south of the railroad tracks, and start some patching work there along between the railroad tracks and the YMCA entrance. That'll be a couple week project as well. Lanes will be reduced on that side of the roadway when that occurs. That is all the project updates that I have.
So as with all other weeks, written updates will be posted on the website, and then there's going to be printed copies up at City Hall as well. So, Susan, do you have any questions for us about the projects?
No, I don't have any questions. Thank you.
Sure. All righty. Well, we're going to hang out for a bit here to see if anybody hops on. We had a latecomer last week, but they didn't have any questions. So we'll hang out here for 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll end the recording, and it'll be put on our website with the other ones. All right, the time is 2:20 on Friday, September 25th. We haven't had any visitors or anybody join our meeting room here for the last 15 minutes, so we're going to end the meeting. The recording of this meeting will be posted on our website. We will talk to you next week.